How to cancel Instacart Plus membership. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel membership on Instacart, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually cancel membership on Instacart, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then launch the Instacart application here. Once you launch Instacart app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now if you have an Instacart subscription like me and then you want to cancel the membership, you're going to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen, as you can see here. Once you tap the three lines icon here, you'll find your Instacart Plus membership, so just tap on it. Once you tap on your Instacart Plus membership, over here you'll be able to see all this. You just need to scroll down until you get to the option called manage your membership here, and then here you can see free trial, so you can just tap the change plan button, or you can tap on cancel membership button that you see over here in order to cancel your Instacart Plus membership. That's it on how you can cancel your Instacart Plus membership. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.